Hello everyone, just a real quick update. I'm waiting for parts to come in for the Jeep. It is a broken brake line to the left front caliper. But anyway, I just changed the pressure switch on my air compressor. We also chipped up some limbs that I cut down from them trees the other day. But other than that, it's just kind of a gray day. Thought I would take care of this pressure switch, and that way I don't have to run the Jeep or car next to the Jeep to put air in the tires that leak on the Jeep. The Jeep is due for a new set of tires very soon, but I gotta wait on that. Alrighty, well, I think that'll work. All right, well, it shut off where it was set to shut off. It's 150 psi maximum, and we are not at 150. So it's about 145 right there, so we're good. Well, anyway, that's going to do it. Thanks for joining me. I will see you later.